go price.
One go price.
We'll go price.
Let's see if you can give her a birthday gift. What is
We
it?
can do it. What's wrong?
I know they drive the pikin for front of car.
So guys, right now we are at the night market. Yes, when I say night market, I mean we are at the night.
bigger. 这个 OK， 这个很 OK。这个 OK。
We are at the night market and everybody are just staring at us like Scanting night market. They sell everything here, but it's just night market. I'm going to take you guys around. They sell fan, they sell everything, clothes, children clothing, adult clothing. And I'm actually the only black person here and they are staring at me. What is this one? Okay. I need to check. Sit up.
See their Chinese. Go down. No, it's not people. I think they sell. It's because they sell one.
See baggy jean now. See this one 150. Handbag. Let me show you for handbag that time.
Like white.
Okay, you see that we carry. Usually unique actually. Somebody has to know by eyelashes. I don't think this is like
2 million for this place.
is it that they don't have it naturally?
But they have fine things in one place.
Affordable something. Because some of the quality of these things when you enter those stores where we live for them.
Yes. When I see dress, so
How much? 15. 1.5.
that's not food there. Also. Size 40.
they sell luxury. This place, quality things they sell.
This is
That cap. Okay, come together with cap.
Now waiting. The cap now to not be expensive now. How much?
150.
Because of the cap.
上你帮我们那边搞。
说一点英语就厉害了吗？
Think again. If we don't see road, more just enter.
But if you don't buy clothes, you know if you buy tomorrow morning.
No.
So you better buy now. See clothes now.
And the size we go, we don't say clothes.
You don't bend down, check.
You see anyone, let me know.
你看一下啊。
走呀！
Long jeans, finally. No jeans, they gonna top. I'm my size. Not on the light hand.
Get to where?
I tell you.
As in, that is the beginning, this is the ending date.
Go back that side.
Would they go back now? See fine top.
No, I can never go back. Oh, no. I don't go forward. No. Yes.
You know, see as people they buy. That's what they say.
Night market every day.
It's every day of their life.
90 money. That they close by 4 money.
For no, as they open now, till
You don't find something.
Mother